Installing the Edsby app on your Android device. If you do not have the Google Play Store on your device's home screen, you can search for it in the Google search bar. So I'm just going to look for Play Store, and there it is. Now I'm going to search for Edsby, E-D-S-B. There it is. Once it comes up, we click Install. Once it's installed, we can click Open. Once it's open, you'll be prompted to enter in your school's Edsby ID. So for me, I'm going to enter Twine, T-W-I-N-E, and then I'm going to click Go. And then you can enter in the credentials you were provided by your school administrator or your student's teacher, and you're good to log in. You'll also see that there is a Login with Google button. If your school has provided you with a Google address or an O365 address, you will be able to log in with those credentials by using that Login with Google or Login with O365 button below. Hope this helps.